Did you know that improving body awareness can actually enhance your mental focus? Watch how Alex transforms both mind and body through simple bodyweight training. Every morning, Alex faces physical limitations that once seemed insurmountable. Through dedicated practice of controlled movements and balanced poses, each session becomes a testament to the power of mindful exercise. The breakthrough comes when Alex starts documenting progress, holding challenging positions for increasingly longer periods, from wobbly 10-second balances to rock-solid minute-long holds. 3 months of consistent practice reveal remarkable changes. Alex's improved proprioception allows for precise movement control, while enhanced kinesthetic awareness creates a stronger mind-body connection. The documentation shows not just physical progress, but also heightened mental clarity and focus during daily tasks. Through bodyweight training, Alex discovers that mastering body control leads to mastering mind control. Each balanced pose becomes a meditation in motion, proving that strength starts with awareness. Want to unlock your body's hidden potential? Try holding a balanced pose today and share your experience below.